Australia and India's World Test Championship final qualification hopes hang in a balance, as the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy is tied as of now, with both the teams winning one match each. India defeated Australia by 297 runs in the series opener. Australia returned India the favour by decimating them by 10 wickets in Adelaide. Courtesy of multiple rain delays, the Brisbane Test match ended in a draw. The Boxing Day Test match will be played at iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground, where India have a good record. But the Australians will mean complete business when they take the field. The Boxing Day Test match promises to be a high-octane affair, considering the fact that the series is currently tied and both the teams are locked in a battle to qualify for the World Test Championship finals too. Australia and India are in the second spot of the World Test Championship points table, and a win in the MCG will boost their chances of playing the WTC finals in Lord's next year. Here are all the possible scenarios of India's WTC final qualification hopes if they win, lose or draw the MCG Test match. India are currently on the third spot of the World Test Championship standings, just behind Australia and South Africa. The Proteas are almost certain to play the WTC finals. If India wins the MCG Test, then Rohit Sharma and company go to the second spot in the WTC points table with a PCT of 58.33, and Australia will drop to the third spot with a PCT of 55.21. Since 2011, India have played 2 test matches in the MCG and have won both of them. To be fair, India haven't looked as strong as they are on the paper. After the happenings in the Adelaide Test match, India have had plenty of questions to answer. The Brisbane Test match was constantly interrupted by rain and it had to end in a draw. The Melbourne Test match, which will have fresh challenges for India in terms of consistency and team composition. If India somehow lose the MCG Test match, then their WTC hopes will literally come to an end and they cannot qualify on their own. If Australia and Sri Lanka end with poor PCT and drop points for poor over rate, that is the only possibility for Team India to qualify. The equation of the World Test Championship is extremely tricky for both India and Australia. Both the teams are undoubtedly eyeing a spot in the WTC finals. If the Boxing Day Test ends in a draw, then both the teams will drop points. India will have a PCT of 54.63 and will sit third, while Australia will remain second with a PCT of 57.29. India will still be left with one more chance, considering the fact that they have to win the Sydney Test match.